street life. If we don't know that, we wouldn't survive in the streets. If your homeboy will blow your brains out for over some cash, over some petty cash, over some clothes, over some damn jewelry. We can't trust a bloody soul when you're living in the streets. If you can't handle pressure, homeboy, that means the streets wasn't meant for you. It's a one hard time, 10 freaking years. Can you handle that? I'm talking straight facts. Real G's be crying behind the wall. What you know about that? Real G's will never told you that. I'm hard body with the flow. My hard body with the flow. But I'm just so hood, so thorough. Rep my damn borough. BX all day. It's my damn crew. Never disrespect the Bronx. It's full of Bronx. This hip hop ish will never be going on. But call me the king of the Bronx. Call me the king of New York. The new king of New York. Sorry, Jay-Z. It's time for me to freaking take it over. I'll take it over with a whole lot of power. I dominate the competition like it's Hercules. These fake corny ass endeavors me to leave. I'm sick of these corny ass MCs claiming that they're thug, but they ain't pushing nothing.